Today we're going to talk about RWdemo Workstation, ECRI's latest crime analysis software, incorporating the functionality of previous versions such as RWdemo Analyst and RWdemo Profiler, along with a lot of new things. Let's just go ahead and launch it. As usual, when the program launches, the first thing you'll get is the password login prompt, and we'll just go ahead and log in here. What you see here is the RWdemo Workstation homepage, the first thing that appears when you start the system. On the left-hand side, you'll see the various things that you can do from the home page. And as you click on each one, you'll get options appearing to the right. For example, starting with New, the function to create a new case, you'll see that you can create a new case using various templates. One that creates a geographic profiling case, a linkage analysis case, a generic case, and custom case templates that you previously created and saved yourself. In this case, one for a case that looks like a RWdemo Analyst case. You can also here copy an existing case in case you want to make changes without altering the original case. And you can also import cases from an external XML file that either you or somebody else has exported in the past. Under Recent Cases, you'll see the cases that are available in the system that you previously worked on, ordered from most recent at the top to least recent at the bottom. And you'll notice as you click on each case, some information about that case appears to the right, including the case details and statistics, and a little map to show you where the case is located. Under Sample Cases, you'll find the sample cases that ECRI includes with the system as example practice cases, and also any previously created RWdemo Analyst or RWdemo Profiler cases you happen to have on your system. This is where you would find them to import into the RWdemo Workstation database. The search function lets you search or view the contents of the RWdemo Workstation database. And you'll find that the RWdemo Workstation database is a little bit different from previous products. In RWdemo Workstation, we have a global database, which includes all of the data across all the crimes and cases in the system. And there are certain advantages to doing it this way, which we'll mention as we go through the demonstration. You can switch back and forth between your different views using these tabs at the top here. This is the database view, this is the home page view. You can do that at any time, including while you're working on a case. Finally, we have the information area at the bottom here, which shows you information about your database. For example, the database statistics, what contents you have in your database represented in various graphical ways. Chart Viewer lets you construct your own views of the information in the database in various highly customized ways. And you can also select your system preferences here, where you can choose to set a lot of the behaviors of RWdemo Workstation, and you can also do that from the menu within a case. The menu along the top here appears as usual with all the functions that are available to you at various times while you're working with the system. Some of these duplicate things that you'll find on the home page. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and open a case and take a look at what that looks like. And we'll start with the Vancouver insurance robberies case, which we often use as a demonstration.